How to add welcome bot to Discord. Well, that's what I'm going to show you guys in a super quick and easy tutorial. So if this video helped you out, let me know in the comments and let's get started right away. So I'm over here inside a Discord server, and the very first thing which I want to do is simply create a new welcome channel. So you can add that anywhere you would like to. I'm simply going to click over here and click on create new channel. Call it welcome, click on create channel, and then I'm going to leave that right over here, just like that. Then you want to go to Google, and there are many different options. I chose 3 real quick. You, for example, have ProBot. You can use Me6. You can also use the Welcomer bot. It's kind of like up to you. They all have a little bit of different customization and are kind of the same when it comes to setting it up, and pretty easy. Now in this video I'm going to go ahead and choose probot.io, but you can choose pretty much whichever one you would like to. So I'm going to click on add to Discord. So I simply have to authorize all of this. Click on authorize. So make sure to select that you're human. Make sure to select all of this, because if you do not, it won't completely work. Now here on the left you can now see the server where we have added it to. If I click on this one, it will pretty much ask me to add this bot to our server. But when I go to Discord real quick, by the way, you can see in general the standard welcome probot message from Discord. So we know it has now been added, but on the left we have a bunch of stuff. So over here we can see welcome and goodbye. If you click on here, this is currently enabled, but we still have to choose to enable these. So send a message when a user joins the server. Yes, enable. Here you can type a completely custom message, and you can either choose to send it as a DM or send it to a channel. I recommend just doing this to a channel because a DM is kind of annoying in my opinion, but that's up to you. And here you can select the channel which we have just created, the welcome channel. So click on there, and here you can add your custom message. So as you can see over here, you can see if you add these variables, you can mention the member, for example, or member name without mentioning, or amount of members reached. So this is something I quickly typed in. So it says welcome and then user. So it automatically mentions the member. To server. So it automatically gives me the server name. So if in the future I would actually change the server name, it will automatically update the welcome message as well. And then Discord server, make sure to read the rules and have a great time. Something which you could also add, for example, is you have been the and then member count to join the server. So let's say you have like 1,000 people in your server. Each person will have will be, for example, the 1001 person to join the server, which is also pretty cool. And once you are happy with a full-on message like this, you simply have to click on save changes. As you can see, this person has now joined the server, and it says welcome their username to your name's server, a Discord server. Make sure to read the rules and have a great time. You have been the 5 to join the server. So in this case, I should have actually added this, the 5th member to join the server, but this is pretty much it. So yeah, that is how to add a welcome bot to Discord.